How to install NetBeans on Windows 11. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in download NetBeans. From here, you're going to simply choose and click on downloading Apache NetBeans right here. And this opens up another follow-up page where basically you have various different installers. And here's how you can download the Apache NetBeans. I can either click, this is the older version, which is 11.11. This is a newer version, which goes for 12.2, which was released, and you can see the features for a full list. Or however, you can simply click on download, and this is Apache NetBeans, which is released on 2024. This is the latest version. The previous ones we were looking onto were the older versions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on download here. And from the download area, we have installers and packages, and this is the independent platform that you can download it from, which is in a zip file. Rather than doing that, I would like to download a 64-bit one. And simply once I click up right here, what we're going to do is we're going to be following the location for a download, and we're going to simply click here. And once we do that, it starts to download. As you can see, the package zip is being installed, and it's going to take about 3 to 2 minutes until it installs itself and runs onto my window. Usually it automatically starts running up, but if it doesn't, we will need to verify the integrity of your download using the PGP signature or using the .asc file or a hash .md5 or s.sha star file. So guys, this is how you can install NetBeans on Windows 11.